Hey, and welcome to another episode of Willis Talk. We got another Chevrolet. And this one says it's, let's see if I can get, there we go. 427 Turbo Jet. Yeah, let's get that checker flag going on there. Check it out. Oh, it is a beautiful vehicle, shined. Oh, look at the upholstery if you can see it. And there we go. You get some of it. Nice. It's solid black. No crackles or crinkles in it at all. No chips or dings. Look at it. She's a beauty. There's that. Say Malibu? I think that's how they did it back then. Sure, Chevrolet Malibu. Look at that trunk space. Can't say much for the small tires, but maybe that's what it's supposed to run. I hope so. Tell me what you think in the comment section down below. Like and subscribe. Look at those. The classic everything. And until next time, this is Willis signing off. Stay classic.